Hi guys, and welcome back to another In the Headlights video, where today we are down here at the Lotus Driving Academy. That is because I'm going to be taking part in their bronze license, which means I get to do loads of track driving with some Lotus instructors. We also get to go and have a look at the classic Lotus Factory tour. We get the Lotus Factory tour as well. And I just wanted to bring you guys along for the ride to see what today's all about. So we've just done the driver briefing. I've got my Lotus Academy driving helmet. We're just waiting for the cars to come back. I think there's about 4 Elises coming back actually. Just while the other guys as well are over at the Lotus Factory tour. There's so much going on. You get to cover so much in one day here. So we'll wait for the cars to come back. We'll jump in and then we'll go and do a few laps.
Track driving before?
Yeah, a little bit, yeah. Yeah, I used to, one of my first cars was a Mark 1 MX-5 and I took that to every track I could try and get my hands on, and that was a wicked fun little car actually. I really enjoyed that.
Okay, so straight away onto the straight, we keep the cars to the left hand side. Obviously we start nice and steady to obviously learn the circuit, get familiar with the car, understand where, or for me, to understand where your limitations are or what we need to focus on.
Yeah.
Where we see 2 double red cones, that's the area where we ought to be braking. So keep going a little bit closer, and now we're going to start to brake and turn in on the red cone in towards the yellow apex cone. So this is what we call a bus stop chicane. We're going to use this every session that we drive today. Obviously, should we out-brake ourselves, we have the option of going straight forward, but we don't really want to be doing that. Hold on to third gear as you come down to the bottom hairpin. Again, double red cone. So it's braking all the way around towards your turn-in reference, but more importantly, look out the side window to spot your apex nice and early. By doing so, your eyes are talking to your hands, and your hands will turn in subconsciously the right amount of steering input.
Okay.
Just reduce the brakes as you turn in, feel where that grip is, balance throttle initially, that's it. As you come back to the left, you can give it a little bit more power, but then it's back to the brakes in the second gear, just here. It's really nice. Nice and patient as you bring the car to the apex, then wind off the lock, build up the speed. It's good. Okay, brake a little bit later, down to third gear, then carry those brakes all the way into the first part of the chicane, off the brakes now, turn in. So that's much better.
Yeah. Still
a little bit of front end push as you go left, but that's okay.
Oh, this car is so much fun. I love them. It is just one step up from a go-kart. Just having a little sit down after the amazing lunch that Lotus Driving Academy put on. So we just had great lunch, loads of dessert as well. We are literally going back out on track to do the other bit of the circuit in a couple of minutes time. So I'm gonna go get my helmet. And then I think to finish the day off, we're gonna do a classic Team Lotus factory tour, which is just over behind me, which I've heard is quite incredible. So we've just come off the Lotus Driving Academy test track, which is unbelievable. The car, you literally get to push it to its limit. So much fun. And part of the bronze day, you also get a look around here. This is the Lotus Factory. This is where all the cars get made. Now, unfortunately, I can't show you anything in here because there's some little tips and tricks that Lotus do to make their cars handle and ride as well as they do. So we can't take the camera in. But if you do book the bronze day, you will get to have a look around here. So without further ado, I'm gonna go and have a look. We've now, as part of the Bronze Day, come over here to Classic Team Lotus. This is where Lotus look after a lot of customers' cars, a lot of Lotus family cars as well, and they're all in here behind us. Let's go and have a look.
Whichever way you measure it, Team Lotus is still around about the 4th most successful Grand Prix team. They haven't raced for 25 years. They've got 7 Constructors' Championship, they've got 6 Drivers' Championships, they've got 79 Grand Prix wins. And the likes of Mercedes and Red Bull and that, you know, the modern teams aren't there. Same with the Constructors and Drivers' Championships. Yeah, they'll get there, but not yet.
I like that you can say that. They'll get there. They'll get there.
Well, they will.
Learn from the best.
Indeed.
And just like that, with huge amounts of helmet hair, the day is pretty much over. I can't believe how much they fit in on the Bronze Day that you do down here at the Lotus Driving Academy. You seriously get to hammer these cars to literally within that of the limit. We then went to go and have a look at the Classic Team Lotus factory as well. All absolutely incredible stuff. If you want to book your own Bronze Day, which I suggest you should because it is so much fun, have a look in the link on the description below. I'm off to see a hairdresser. You should go and have a look at some more In the Headlights videos, and we'll be back with more content very soon.